Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Coros Pace 3 to your phone. First, ensure your watch is at least 50% charged. Next, download the Coros app from your phone's app store, available for both iOS and Android devices. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone to prepare for pairing. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process. Once the app is installed, open it and navigate to the Profile tab. Look for an option like Pair Your Device or Add New Device and tap it. The app will then begin searching for your Coros Pace 3. Make sure your watch is nearby, ideally within 1 meter, to facilitate discovery. This step initiates the connection. After the app finds your watch, a pairing request will appear on both your phone and the Coros Pace 3. Confirm this request on both devices to establish the connection. Your watch will then display a confirmation message, indicating successful pairing. Allow a few moments for the initial data synchronization to complete, transferring your settings and any existing activity data. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and your Coros Pace 3. Also, ensure both the Coros app and your watch's firmware are updated to their latest versions. Sometimes, interference from other Bluetooth devices can prevent a successful connection, so try moving to an open area. These simple steps often resolve common pairing problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.